Now I'm not totally happy with the visual, and I would like to make some change to the visual, to the way we see things. I still see a gray out portion for the weekend, and that's not the way I want to see it. And let's go first work on the time scale. So if I right click on the time scale and click time scale, I have the choice to work. You see there's a top tier, middle tier, bottom tier. So if I go back to, I would use only the middle and bottom for this example, but I could have gone here in the show and activate to see the top tier, which could be week. So right now I'm using only days, and the bottom tier is divided in 6 hours, block of 6 hours. I would like to see this in, let's say, 3 hours block. So let's click OK on this. Didn't change. 3, OK. Now it has changed, and I could see that my top scale is in block of 3. And let's make some change to the grid line. So if I right click on the middle of the Gantt, I can change, make modification to the grid line. And let's first, I would remove the timeline. I'm not a fan of it yet, so I will click on this to remove the timeline. Right click again, and I'm going to make some change in the grid line itself. So I want to make some change here, and I would like to get a bar each, no, Gantt row. I would like to get a dot line on each of the row. The middle tier is going to be, yeah, I want a solid line to separate the days. And the bottom tier could be also a dot line. So let's see the result of this. And this is the way I like to see it, because it's going to be easy when it's printed. And one more last change I want to do is to change the background here. I don't want to see a gray area for the weekend. I just want to see a gray area for the night. So let's change the non-working time here, and I'm going to change the calendar to use my day shift calendar. And now I see exactly my Gantt the way I want to see it.